Sprinkle your sofa with salt, and you'll never pay for cleaning it again. Plus, you won't need to clean or wash it as often. Start by pouring about 150 milliliters of warm water into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of regular table salt, a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything until fully dissolved, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your sofa might look clean, but it could still harbor dirt, dust, pollen, and mites. Spray it with this solution, and you'll tackle those problems effectively. Baking soda neutralizes unpleasant odors and has antifungal properties, eliminating fungi and their spores, as well as killing dust mites. After spraying, wipe the sofa with a dry cloth. It's like dry cleaning. This gentle spray cleans your sofa almost dry, better than many wet upholstery cleaners.